Query successful. Try again without apps. Do you know exactly what your business needs from a bank, or are you just using a one-size-fits-all account? Faced with monocle. When your business starts to grow, your banking needs change dramatically. The simple small business checking account that worked perfectly on day one might feel restrictive down the road. You need to know when to upgrade and what a major player like Regions Bank offers at each level. We're breaking down the key differences between Regions Bank's small business and corporate banking options so you can make an informed decision for your company's future. Small business, built for growth. Small business banking at Regions is typically for private companies with annual revenue up to about $10 million. The focus here is on ease of use, manageable fees, and the tools you need for day-to-day operations. Key features of small business banking. Checking accounts. Regions offers options like Life Green Business Checking and Business Interest Checking. These accounts are designed with transaction limits, for example, a set number of free transactions or a limit on free cash processing per month. This structure keeps costs low for businesses that are still scaling. Financing. You'll find access to SBA loans, business credit cards, and standard loans and lines of credit. The borrowing limits and requirements are tailored for smaller, less complex financial profiles. Support. Regions emphasizes a dedicated small business banker relationship and tools like Regions Online Banking for Business to manage daily finances, including mobile deposit and basic bill pay. Small business banking is all about flexibility and fundamental tools. It's your financial launchpad, designed to support you efficiently without overwhelming you with complexity. Corporate and institutional, complexity handled. When you move into corporate banking with Regions, you're entering a realm designed for private and public companies with annual revenue over roughly $250 million. This is where the solutions become deeply integrated and highly specialized. Key features of corporate banking. Sophisticated solutions. Corporate banking is less about simple accounts and more about powerful financial engineering. You get comprehensive services like treasury management to optimize cash flow, manage payables, and mitigate risk. You'll use systems like Regions OnePass for secure, single-point access to complex tools. Specialized financing. The financing options are more robust, including investment banking for capital raising and advisory services, and specific industry expertise in areas like real estate banking. The scale and complexity of loans and lines of credit are vastly greater. Global reach. Services like global trade finance and financial risk management, hedging interest rate and commodity exposure, are critical components, reflecting the international and complex operations of large corporations. Corporate banking is focused on optimization and advanced risk management. It's the full suite of financial tools needed to manage a massive, multifaceted enterprise. The tipping point. The biggest difference boils down to volume and complexity. Small businesses need simple transaction-based services, checking, a business card, and a line of credit. Corporate clients need holistic financial management, cash flow optimization, international transactions, and capital markets access. If you're regularly exceeding your small business account's free transaction limits or finding your financing needs are becoming too large or specialized for a standard business loan, it's a clear sign your business is transitioning and you need to consult